What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so today's finally the day. I'm gonna mow my newly seeded grass. But before that, I gotta clean up a little bit because for the past couple days ago it was super windy and it made a big mess back here. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so as you can see, because it was super windy, a lot of these leaves are all over the mulch bed area, all over the grass, everywhere. All these leaves from these trees right here. So all these fell all over the yard. So I'm gonna go ahead and what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna leaf blow all of these onto the grass, and then I'm gonna use a lawnmower and just cut the grass, and it's gonna pick up the leaves with it. So that would be a little bit faster cleaning up that way. But you could do any way you prefer. You could always just, sweep them up. You can mulch the clippings if you like, or I think they saw those little it's like a leaf blower, but it sucks them up instead. So it's either way, but this is the way I'm gonna be cleaning up back here. So like I said, I'm gonna use a leaf blower, blow this all off to the grass, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mow this. But I'm gonna bag the clippings. I'm gonna bag them for two reasons. First, to pick up the leaves themselves, and also because I want to mulch right now on the newly seeded grass. Because there's still a couple areas that haven't came through yet. I'm not too sure why, but they haven't come up yet. A couple little spots here and there. So I don't want a bunch of mulched grass on these areas because it might smother them. It's not gonna be able to get water in there. So I'm gonna mow it. I'm gonna be bagging it at the same time. All right, guys. So let's get to it. Alright guys, as you see, I leaf blow most of the leaves up there off here. So they're all gonna be right here right now. I'm gonna go over with the lawnmower. I'm gonna bag all this up. I'm just gonna clean it up pretty good, hopefully. It should. There's a little bit of leaves left. Not too much. It looks better though. So, I mean, from the looks of it, the leaves are gonna continue to fall anyway. So, I guess I just have to deal with it for right now. Alright guys, so now the time I've been waiting for. I don't know about you guys, but I have. It's time to mow this grass. Alright guys, I just got done mowing. Take a look. Yeah, it looks really good. I'm really liking the way it looks. So the grass was roughly about, before I mowed it, was roughly about 3.5 inches or so. And right now I took it down to, let's see, I would say about 2 inches. And I like the way it looks, but my goal is to eventually keep it at, if I can, about 1/2 inch or 1 inch maybe. So I don't know, I might take it down just a notch right now, just so I can mow it again and see how it looks, and also to clean up a little bit more over here. I mean, I had to empty out the bag on the mower about 2 to 3 times actually. Not mostly grass in there, it was mostly all these leaves that were from up there. So I don't know, I might just take it down 1/2 a notch right now, and then I'll see how it looks after. But yeah guys, I'm really liking the way it looks. It's coming along, it's looking really good. But maybe I'll get a nice little lawn striper, make some nice stripes for you guys to enjoy. But so far I'm really enjoying this. I'm really liking the way it looks. But yeah guys, I mean, so there it is. That's probably gonna be it for today's video. And thanks a lot for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.